Understanding diversity is our new topic that we are going to cover. So, let us start with the meaning of diversity. Diversity means variety or difference in the context of society. It refers to the differences among people in terms of language, culture, religion, food, clothing, traditions, festivals, or way of living. Okay. So if we are just talking about in context of society, and here differences are there in terms of language, culture, religion, food, tradition, festivals, or way of living, then we are talking about the diversity. So these differences are seen across region, communities, and families also. So here we will see diversification among the region, communities, and families. For example, a child in Kerala may eat rice and fish curry and speak Malayalam and celebrate Onam, right? And a child in Punjab may eat roti and dal and speak Punjabi and celebrate Baisakhi. So see here, both are different. The state is different, the food is different, the language is different, and the festival is also different. Even though they are different, they are both Indians. This is what we call diversity. So even though they are just different in terms of so many things, but they are Indians. So that's why we just call it as diversified, right? So why India have so much diversity? India is a vast country with many climatic regions, geographical features, as it has varied landscape, isn't it? Somewhere we will see Himalayas and in the south we will see coastal regions, and a long history of migrations, trade and interaction with people from other parts of the world. That's why we see so much diversity in India. Now, what are the reasons for diversity? Let us just go through one by one. First of all is the geography. So here we will see different climates and landforms are there that lead to different lifestyle. For example, desert area is also there, mountain is also there, and coastal regions are also there. So that's why people are living a different way of lifestyle. Apart from it, historical events are also there, invasions are there, like the Mughal used to came here in India, then Britishers were there. Then migration was also there. That is the people like Aryan and Persian, they used to come here. Maybe they have just came here for the economic opportunity or the political factors and other reasons also. And trade was also one of the reason where like the Arabs and the Chinese and the European just came to India. Cultural influences are also there. Over thousands of years, people just brought new languages, religion, food, art, and custom. Okay, so cultural differences is also one of the reason for diversity. Now, these influences blended with local cultures and created a rich diversity in India. So, what happened? There was a blend of the culture, and we see a diversity in India. Now in the chapter, a closer look and example has been shared from the Kerala and the Ladakh to just make us understood about the diversity. So let us see that one also. Here the chapter gives two case studies to explain diversity. First one is the Kerala, a state in southwestern India, a coastal region with lot of rainfall. People eat here rice, fish and coconut based food, known for spice trade and attracted traders from Arab countries and Europe, right? And here religion, if you are going to talk about, then Hinduism, Islam and Christianity are there. And the influence of different culture is visible in the architecture, food and clothing. So this is one of the southwestern state of India. Now Ladakh, a cold desert in northern India, in Jammu and Kashmir, that is also in India. Here little rainfall, so people depend on raising animals like yak and goats, and famous for Buddhist cultures and monasteries. Earlier trade with Tibet and Central Asia. See here, both the states are different in terms of way of living, then the climates, landscape, and the food. But what is the common value here? Despite being very different, both regions value equality, respect, and peaceful living. Even though both are different, but they value the equality, respect, and peaceful living, right? So this is a case study about the Kerala and the Ladakh. Now as we proceed, the chapter diversity and unity mean together. Now what is that? Although people are different in many ways, they also have things in common. For example, all Indians celebrate festivals even if they are different one, isn't it? We see this one also among in our societies also, at our village, towns, everywhere. People in all parts of India respect family, traditions and festivals. And Indians live together and share their experiences, which shows unity in diversity. That's why diversity and unity mean together. Now, unity in diversity coined by Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, in his book Discovery of India. It means that India remains united despite its many differences, right? So, this is diversity and unity that is meant together. Now, prejudice and discrimination is also one of the topic that has been covered in understanding the diversity. Let us see. When people judge others unfairly because of their religion, caste, appearance, or language, it is called prejudice. Now, prejudice is unfair and based on stereotypes, not truth. Example, thinking girls are not good at sports without seeing them play. That is prejudice, isn't it? Here, unfair treatment is going on. Now, discrimination means turning someone unfairly or unequally because of their religion, caste, color, gender, language, or economic background. That is discrimination. So, discrimination is when prejudice turns into action. Example, not allowing someone to enter a restaurant because of their caste, then that is called discrimination. So, prejudice turn into action, then it is called discrimination. Now, how are prejudice and discrimination connected? So, prejudice is thinking badly about someone, and discrimination is acting unfairly based on that thought. So, in this way, prejudice and discrimination are connected. Example, if someone thinks children from a poor family can't study well, that is prejudice, right? And the teacher ignores helping them in class, then that is discrimination. That's the real life example of both, that is prejudice and discrimination. Okay, so here teacher is ignoring the child because as it belongs to a poor family, and the teacher may think that they can't study well, so that is discrimination. So here in the we should avoid prejudice and discrimination, isn't it? Because it is just unjust and inhuman. Moreover, it breaks unity and peace in the society also. So apart from it, it stops people from using their full potential, because every person deserves respect and equal treatment, isn't it? So this is our topic, that is understanding the diversity, and the chapter has been covered here. I hope just understanding diversity is clear to you. So this much for this video.